So the first thing I can do here is to find the area of this arc. Because that angle is 60 as a fraction of 360, that's 1/6. So area of the sector would be 1/6 pi r square. Radius here is given to us as 1 centimeter. So the area of that sector would just be 1/6 pi because r is 1. Now we're told that this triangle here, this points C and D are chosen so that both OC and OD are equal. And we're told that the area of that triangle is half of that, which means pi over 12. Now if you look at this triangle, it's an isosceles triangle, which means these two angles have to be equal, if we call them x and x. Since that's 60 here, and these two have to add up to 120. If they're each equal, they have to be 60 and 60. So this is an equilateral triangle. So if we call OC, the side would be A, then formula for the area of an equilateral triangle is a squared root 3 over 4. And the question is really just asking for A. So I can take this out, a square, move the root 3 to the denominator, pi over 3 times root 3, which means a is square root of the whole thing or to the power of half. And that's OC, which is right here in D. Now, a general comment about this question was when I first looked at it, I thought, oh, it's probably going to be fairly involved, just so much to read. And it turns out that it's actually an easy question. So, you know, I obviously did not correctly guess that this was an easy question, and that's a skill that's also very important for the CAT exam, because you don't have to do all the questions. So it's important if you can identify the easier questions, and so this is also going to happen. So see if you can kind of see through that. I didn't in this question, but you know, try to kind of improve your sense. So to summarize, the answer is D.